Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. I am David. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, guys. We got FOMC today. It looks slow. Oh, yeah. It is. Hold on. First of all, welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market. It is Wednesday, May 1st. Goodness. 2024. Yeah. So, my apologies. I got to make it a quick stream. Any of you know that basically anytime my son is having a bad go about it when it comes to sleeping, I also have a bad go about it when it comes to sleeping. So that's the way it is. Woke up 1 o'clock in the morning to a whiny kid, and then went back to sleep and didn't wake up until 10 minutes ago. All right, so we're going to have to just run through it real quick. Good morning, Tony Soprano. Good morning and bye, he says. Yeah, kind of. FOMC is today, so be ready for that. Not really sure where they're going to go with it. Are they going to pause? Are they going to hike? No matter what, we're probably going to see some volatility. We also have the ADP non-farm payroll, Dolce Jobs, ISM manufacturing. The non-farm payroll changes at 8:15 Eastern Standard Time. Good morning. Heading to the fiat mine. Yeah. Let's see. Non-farm payroll at 8:15. 9:45 is final manufacturing PMI. And 10 a.m. is ISM manufacturing PMI and Dolce Jobs opening, along with some other stuff. But the big stuff, I don't know if this stuff will even move the market, because we do have the FOMC today. Chair Powell is going to come out and tell us what we're doing with our Fed funds rate. The more important thing is going to be 2:30. So the Fed funds rate drops at 2. The press conference is at 2:30. So this is going to be where Powell speaks, and if we're going to kind of listen to his language, see if he's dovish or hawkish. That's going to be pretty interesting to listen to. So I would wait if you're looking to trade at all. I would probably wait until after the dust has settled with everything and then trade. But because it's going to be pretty volatile today. Who knows what's going to happen? Let's go ahead, pull up the chart. Good morning, Sniper's Nightmare. Taking BTC long, 10x, locked 8% with stop loss. That's what's up, my guy. 1 sec. All right. How is that possible, bro? Anyway. All right. So, Bitcoin, let's go ahead and zoom out. Let's go to the daily. Let's see what we're looking like on the daily. Let's see. Let's pull a fib. Go away. Let's see. Pull a fib. Put our magnet on here. We're going to go from bottom to top. We're going to see where we are here. So we got a 786 down here at 55,500. 55,500. That's also a fair value gap. I can see a daily fair value gap. Came right down to it, touched it, pushed off of it. We'll see if that holds. Let's see. We could see a quick wick down today. Maybe, or maybe this was it. Maybe this is it. Who knows? We'll have to dive in a little bit further to try and maybe get a clue on that. But we do have the value area low of this range above us. POC is above us as well. Still, even after falling through here. What kind of volume are we looking at? Let's go ahead and take a look. Volume. Not the most. We had more volume yesterday than today. Are we liquidating longs at all? Let's see. Let's go to CoinGlass. Let's check out the open interest. Super charts. You serious right now? No way. Anyway, let's see. Going to be a rate pause. Too early to do anything else. Have to see if we're going to keep inflating higher than expected. I agree, but I think what's going to be key is what Powell says. How's he going to sound? You know, open interest was picking up on the way down here, so that tells me with funding rates more so in the positive, kind of flat, but more so in the positive. So this tells me that as we're on our way down, longs are getting built up and shorts along with shorts, and we got rid of some longs. Hopefully we can start squeezing some shorts to the upside now. We have taken out the 59K low that I've been wanting to take out for quite some time now, and we've taken out with quite a move. Let's go down to smaller time frames. Let's see, 15. Oh man. Okay. So this is exactly what I would want to see. So we have the move down, come up, create a high, create a low, and then create a higher high. Now we just need to create a higher low, and we might already be done with this reversal. It might be up only for the rest of the day. We'll have to wait and see. Did I miss it? Is it over yet? No. I said it was the quickest stream ever, but apparently that's at least 10 minutes. So, good morning, Justin Eubanks. Good morning, Mr. Schaefer. How you doing, bud? Let's see. Yeah, but we have the momentum also moving towards the upside, and our money flow doesn't look like it. Looks like it's kind of pushing a little bit back to the downside. So, but we want to see this money flow get back into the green. We want to see that momentum flip above the zero line. If we can get both of these to happen right around, well, let's see, where's 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock's all the way over here. So 2. What are we going to do with our momentum here, okay? What are we going to do? We're going to come up, and then come down, and then come up. It's hard to tell. Good morning, Alexander G. Thank you for being here. It's going to be a really short stream. Maybe 10 more minutes. 8 more minutes. Maybe 8 more minutes. I was going to do a video, but I was like, I'd rather say hi to everybody. So, hi everybody. Let's see, what do we got? Let's see, we need Spaceman. All right, previous quarter and current yearly midpoints. Previous quarter midpoint and current yearly midpoints are still below us. So I would not be surprised to see us come down and tag that. Let's put a price label on that. Let's see what that is. 56,165. We don't have to come down and touch that though. That's not like a rule or anything. It's just interesting that it's down there. But we did bounce off fair value gap and closed candles above it. So definitely like seeing that. Definitely like seeing that specific pattern in there. Let's go to Market dynamics pro. So we have more sellers than buyers down here. Is it going to give me a delta? Maybe not. Maybe it wasn't enough. If you have more sellers than buyers, and all I can say is, hey, if buyers know that we have sellers down at this price, why wouldn't the buyers just wait for the price to be lower, right? So that they can buy in cheaper. Something to think about. Let's see. We've got a dynamic reactor above us. We've got delta above us. That's liquidity all up above us. Let's start wrecking some. Sorry, I'm sorry if you're short. Let's start wrecking some shorts today. Let's get 60K today. Yeah. I'm thinking we might start seeing some ripping and roaring today. I think we might start seeing that. Not MCA is above us. Everything is above us. Did it give us a delta? Okay, so we got a green delta now. Okay, so that's what I wanted to see. That's what I like. I like to see this. We're a little bit more even on our volume, which is like kind of saying like, okay, you know, the orders got filled, so we're good. We don't need any more orders to get filled. We had more buyers than sellers down here, so let's start pushing that price to the upside. Okay, let's start pushing that price to the upside. Asia and London like to mess with us before we even get started over here. Already locked profits, have to work on Van again today, so letting it run a bit. Nice. A bit of log for what? Says Sniper. I don't think we see 60K. I think we consolidate at the bottom of the falling channel. Says Blacky Chan. Consolidate at the bottom of the falling channel. So you think we do this? I mean, that's possible. That's possible. Could see something like this on a higher time frame. Maybe not like that, but come up here, take out the high, have a pullback, and then continue higher. Of course, we want to get above the EMAs. So let's do that first. Let's go to the 5 minute. So right now the 5 minute is working on getting above the EMAs. So that's definitely a good sign, something that we want to see if we are bullish. We have a bunch of sellers down here at a lower price, so would not be surprised to see us come down and tag that. But we don't have to. We don't have to. But we did have a nice engulfing candle here, so this could be a retrace back to the 50 EMA, which might be a good short scalp. Really short scalp right there. There we go. I mean, that's a 1% move. 0.32% stop loss. Almost a 3-to-1 trade there. 3.61 to 1. So just something out there. Just throwing that out there. We do have momentum on the upside though. But our money flow is heavy in the red, and our VWAP is below the zero line. So might be a good short opportunity. But it's short scalp. I would not hold on to it. Would not. Would not hold on to it. Maybe take profit right here at 57,000. And then another take profit down here at 56.7. And just move the stop loss along with it. And if the stop loss gets taken out, fine. You're in profit. Good. Get out. Get out of the way. It's going to be a crazy day. I'm in that trade. Nice. Like, you did it on your own? Tell me you did it on your own. 1 hour. Let's see. 1 hour nice engulfing candle here, taking out the previous 2 hours, being a little finicky. I don't know that we consolidate at the bottom of the falling channel. I think we probably blast back up to it, through it. I say blast, but come down. Let's bring this across and get going. Yep. This is what I would like to see. We got nice volume, high volume on both of these, but they kind of ran flat a little bit. That's a little bit of a volume divergence there. No bullish divergence on the market cipher on the 1 hour. Anything on the 2 hour? Nope. 3 hour? Nope. 4 hour? Anything? Nope. Man, these blood diamonds like to play out, huh? These blood diamonds like to play out. Anyway. Could see us get down to maybe the platinum pocket down here. It's very possible. We do have a volume node here at 54.5, 54.6, and then another one down here at 53.5. So could see price come down here, maybe down to the 0.887 at 53,150. It's possible. What we don't want to see is a break of 50,500. We don't want to see a break below that. That would be bad news bears. Now, it wouldn't be the end of the bull run per se, but it would mean that the bull run is probably going to extend further and maybe even go into 2025. Even though I've been thinking that we might not be going into 2025. If we are to lose that 50K, we might be going into 2025. Maybe. Unless it's like a quick move down and then right back up. Then we can probably say, okay, that's enough. That's fine. We can go to our blow off top for the year. Or not. Let's see. Let me take this off. This. All right. Go to the Heiken. All right. So this might turn into a hammer candle in 37 minutes on the 4 hour. Be pretty bullish. That would be pretty bullish. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 hour. 90, 30, 15. Manipulation. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think we've got some open interest built up. On our way down, which is going to be both shorts and longs. Longs just got wrecked. Whatever was in there. So, it's time to start wrecking some shorts. Come on. Oh, yeah. Right here. We can see it. Longs getting wrecked. Liquidation. Yeah, you can't see that. Dang it. Right there. Longs showing the aggregated liquidations. Longs were getting wrecked right here. So now it's time to start wrecking some shorts. Dang it. Come on. All right. Well, I got to go, guys. I got to get ready for work. I do appreciate everybody that joined the stream today. It was a short one, but the main thing is be careful. Probably don't trade until after the FOMC at 2 o'clock is when the Fed funds rate drops, and at 2:30 is when Chair Powell speaks. After Chair Powell speaks, that is probably going to be when we actually get some answers, okay? But if we start marching up before that, Maybe start looking for a long. Not financial advice, but maybe look for a long. You just want to find a dip, a pullback of some kind. But yeah, because if we start moving up before it even happens, I don't know. I think that when it does happen, we might see. I mean, there might be some crazy wick action today. I don't know. I would just be careful. In general, maybe just wait for the dust to settle before you open a trade. And yeah, but yeah, I gotta go, guys. I appreciate each and every single one of you for being here. If you wouldn't mind, please hitting that like button on your way out, subscribing to the channel if you are new and enjoyed this content. Yeah, I love all you guys, and I hope to see you later. And be careful. See you in the chats. And yeah, have a radical day. Ride those waves. Please be careful. Bye bye.